I spent $150 on rabies and cat vaccinations today, so it sure would be nice to make some of that back. Don't you think, sweetie? Sweetie has no opinion.
Who let the cats out? Man, Mountain Link. Who let the cats out?
Hey y'all, Man Mountain Link here. I got a little prequel to the video I'm fixing to show you. Now the camera work is horrible. I mean, it just is what it is. I decided at the last minute to share this with y'all, so I didn't have time to find a tripod and the share the screen function. Well, you know that cost extra, so I don't have it. I just have the basic video editing, and everything is another level. Uh, off the topic though. Let's see here. Yes, GovDeals. This is this is the big prize, right? This is the main deal. This is the big cheddar, right? This is what we're going for. And of course, when you're bidding on GovDeals, you bid on more than the main thing, right? And I've already won the small items. So if I don't win the main item, I want to end up making a trip for a bunch of small items. And I'll probably get my money back out of the small items, maybe. But it sure would be nice if I won the big thing, you know, the big prize. So, yeah. Wish us luck, man. Well, hey, y'all. Got Biden in the background. But, main...
$1.7 trillion this year, this fiscal year. We're going to cut the deficit point out by another $300
Check this out. This audio console here, it's worth about $1,000, and that power supply sitting on top of it worth about $400, and that's without the cables. I'm looking at it for about $115 right now. Refresh bid and time.
I'm keeping my campaign commitment. No one, let me emphasize, no one earning less than
I'm still winning.
$4,000 a year.
I want to set this down and give it my full attention. That was the word I was searching for a while ago. Give this my full attention. So hopefully we win it and be making another trip up to Milan. Sorry for the shitty camera look.
Show the courage to build a future where everybody has an even shot. That's the America I believe in. That's what I believe in. And today,
Got about a minute and a half left.
today,
If somebody bids, it adds 5 minutes to the time. And then it'll get messy. I don't want it to be messy. This is much as I want to pay for it. I know it's worth a lot, but it may take forever to sell, so don't want to invest a lot just because it's worth a lot, right?
making progress in this country is as big and complicated as ours clearly is not easy. It's never been easy. But with unwavering conviction, commitment, and patience,
39 seconds.
your dad was right.
You gonna hang in here with me?
Like today, people's lives remain better, and the future becomes brighter, and a nation can be transformed. That's what's happening now. With the American Rescue Plan that upgrades nearly 10 million new jobs, the once in a generation.
Has it been 40 seconds yet?
Roads, bridges, ports, delivered
11 seconds left.
speed internet to every American.
11 bids. Well, that's not supposed to do that. I just bid 200 real quick. It was supposed to, you saw it said auto extension. That adds 5 minutes. Say 5 minutes and 43 seconds. That guy came in and bumped me up. I'm at $160 now. He might bump me up again. But I'm not going to make you endure 5 minutes of this shit. So We'll be back.
This is why you never see a poor person with millions of dollars.
See that KE dude? Yeah, he's a sniper, man. He wasn't even bidding on this. He came in where you saw it, 30 seconds to go and bid on it. And he would have got it too, except for the auto extension. Of course, I would have had a higher minimum bid, you know. But due to the auto extension, you know, this drags out for another 5 minutes. And we'll see if old Katie there is going to come back with any bids. I got $200.01 in as my minimum bid, so we'll see where it goes.
Deal. President of the United States, as you saw there, has just signed into law the Inflation Reduction Act.
Down to about 2 minutes.
Long stalled, frequently written off for dead omnibus legislation. Encompassing
58 seconds. I'm still winning. Still at 160. If this jackleg sticks true to form, he's going to bid in the last 30 seconds. $32 seconds to go. Still winning. Come on, say closing, say closing. 3 minutes and 2 seconds. He bid me up. Current bid is 201. I'm winning it. That's the fun of bidding odd numbers. Say he bid 200. Let's go look at the history. See, he jumped in the last 30 seconds and bid $200, and I had a automatic bid of 201 cents. So he has to jump another $10, right? So that means he's got to jump at 50 bucks from the 160. So we'll see if he does it. My arm is getting tired. I guess you can tell from the quality of the videography. Hello, cat. My dinner's done. Hey, how you doing? 1 minute, 35 seconds. All right, well, he's going to keep waiting until the last 30 seconds. He doesn't appear to understand how auto extensions work, so we're going to have to, I guess, get messy with it. See how much this cost me.
Step it up a notch.
Bastard. Tearing my shirt to pieces. Alright, we're back at 5 minutes and 18 seconds. And this guy's going back and forth a few times. And the bid currently stands at $240.01. $10 increments. I'm bid up to $275.76. The cat actually moved my hand that time. It wasn't a normal wiggle. Alright. We're still bidding. Wish me luck. Bids at 260. 21 bids. Next bid's 270. 2 minutes left. Still sitting at 260. Guys, just waiting for the time to run out, I reckon. I don't know. I'm not feeling as lucky as I was a while ago. This guy might have deeper pockets than I do. Done running me up $150.
You can't take it with you. Now I'm heading down to the casino and I'm taking my money with me.
51 seconds to go. Still winning it. Getting down to nut cutting time. That's pretty slick. Wish I was able to use it. I'd love to be able to sell it. Let's give her a click. "15 seconds. Chester County Gym still in the lead. Watch that idiot bid. Say closing. Say closing. Closing in progress. Yeah. Yeah.
There you go. It's now live.
Forgot about this. I ain't gonna lie to you about it. I'm glad it didn't go up to my maximum bid. In fact, I got it for the opening bid, $3. So I got $3.70 in this, and it's how many carousels? Well, however many carousels you see there. They're not like a real high dollar item, but they sell $5 to $8 a piece plus shipping, and I got them for $3.70. So I mean, not horrible. Not a constant daily need for carousel 80 slide Kodak carousels for projectors, but you know, hey, take what you can get sometimes.